This is a story about Anthony. I want you to read the story to me. You'll have 1 minute to read as much as you can. When I say begin, start reading aloud at the top of the page. Do your best reading. If you have trouble with a word, I'll tell you. Do you have any questions? Begin.
Anthony had never really enjoyed athletic class. It wasn't that he didn't like playing sports. He was a quiet and trustly. He loved basketball, and you never had to ask him twice to join in on a soccer or a game of a soccer. But somewhere he or his class at school were different. Part of the problem, he figured